Okay, well today is July the 14th, I believe it is. And let me double check that. Yeah, today's Tuesday, July the 14th, out here at the Jetties. It's quite crowded today for a Tuesday, but sometimes that's how it is. So I'm out here, I'm doing some fishing. God willing, I can catch something. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, first fish of the day, just oh, there he goes. Little pinfish. Okay, Mr. Rio just came by. He caught a few mullets, so he gave me one. So we're gonna toss it out there. Hopefully I can keep it on the line. And hopefully we can catch something. Thank you, sir. Let me take a picture of that. Got it, thank you. Thank you, sir. You were right.
There you go.
Whoa, shoot. Well, but thank you. Yeah.